Hi guys, let's set up LinkedIn as OAuth provider. In LinkedIn Developer Console, we will need to create a new app. Let's set up the name. We will use a LinkedIn company page as an example here. Let's upload the logo and agree to terms and create application. We will need a sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. And we will need to add our callback URL to authorized redirect URLs. Now we can copy our client ID and client secret and enable the LinkedIn OAuth integration. Now we should be able to test it. Here is our test application. We will allow access. And now we've logged in. Here is our user with the same email but different providers. Let's check our user. And here is the LinkedIn provider. This is it. Thank you very much.